Good news, everyone. I have been talking a lot about moving to Germany because there are many opportunities to move to Germany for free at the moment. If you want to move to Germany without breaking the bank, this is the video for you. This opportunity is going to provide funding for you to move to Germany. So please watch to the end to get all the information. And you can move alongside your dependents, right? If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Jackie, and here I help people move abroad. So please subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll know when next I share another video, and also drop a comment below, especially if it's your first time. I'd like to hear from you. I always have something special for first timers, so please drop it down below that it's your first time here. And if you'd like to have a one-on-one consultation with me, please send me an email or scan the code on the screen to book a session with me. Don't forget to like the video and share it with everyone you know so they too can apply for these opportunities. All right, so let's just get straight into it. This is for those that want to study in Germany. Germany is one of the best study destinations in the world. You could take advantage of this scholarship to move to Germany. So let's look at the value first thing. This is what you're getting on this scholarship. A monthly payment of this. This is what you're getting on this, right? This is a payment. And then graduates are getting this beginning with February 2026 for doctoral candidates. So payments towards health, accident, and personal liability insurance cover, travel allowance unless these expenses are covered by the home country or another source of funding. So your travel allowance is covered as well, meaning your flight ticket from your country to Germany is covered on this scholarship. And then under certain circumstances, scholarship holders may receive the following additional benefits. Number one, monthly rent subsidy. And number two, monthly allowance for accompanying members of your family. So if you have a partner, you have children, they could be getting allowance from this scholarship as well. So it just eases your whole stay in Germany to study. So let us see from the top. I just wanted to show the value so you can know, if you like it, before we go forward. Let me share this information with you. I have a mentorship program to assist people to move abroad. So there are two different mentorship programs. If you want to move abroad for studies, which is the easiest way to move abroad, everyone can move abroad for studies. I can help you move abroad for studies in countries where you don't need to pay tuition fees. It's tuition free, so you can study for free. There are other countries where it's super affordable. You can pay 100 to 200 to 300 euros to study, right? I also have access to over 5,000 scholarships that can help you to move abroad for free. So if you want to move abroad for studies, you can join the study mentorship program. Once you are done with your secondary education, you are eligible to join the mentorship program. And then I have another mentorship program for those that want to move abroad for work. All right, if you need a work visa abroad, you need a job offer abroad, I have a mentorship program to help you to get a visa sponsorship job abroad. So there are two different programs, and both of them are starting today. So if you want to join, please send me an email or use the links in the description down below to join. We have a WhatsApp group, so when you register, you join the WhatsApp group, all right? So this is the Development Related Postgraduate Courses, EPOS, DAAD. And the objective of this scholarship, with its development-oriented postgraduate study programs, the DAAD promotes the training of specialists from development and newly industrialized countries. We well-trained local experts who are networked with international partners play an important part in the sustainable development of their countries and all that. You can read it. So who can apply? Graduates with at least 2 years professional experience from the following countries. So there's a list of eligible countries for the scholarship. This is the list. So you can look at it if your country is part of this list. These are so many countries. We have countries in Europe, Belarus and Ukraine. We have countries in Africa, so many countries in Africa. Maybe all the countries in Africa are on this list. And we have South America, we have Asia, so many countries in Asia are on the list as well. We have the Philippines, we have India, we have, it's all here, Bangladesh and all of that. Nigeria is here, Ghana. I think just look at the list, right? You can just pause your screen and check if your country is on this list. I did not notice any country that watches the channel that is not here. I think everyone that watches the channel is here, but just pause it, look at the list and confirm that your country is here. So when your country is here, then you know that yes, you can apply for the scholarship. So let's go and see the rest of the information. All right, what can be funded? Individual scholarships exclusively for postgraduate courses in Germany that are listed on the list. There's a link here with the list of all the programs that are eligible. This is the list of programs. So you're just going to click that link and you're going to see all the list of the programs. And you can see that these programs are taught in English. You can see this is language, right? And they're all taught in English right there. So that's a good thing, because when I do videos about going to school in countries where their official language is not English, people usually assume that they need proficiency in that language, like in this case German, but that is not the case. You're studying in English, so you can see that the language of instruction here for all these courses is English. All right. Okay, so next up is the duration of the funding. It's 12 to 42 months depending on your study program. We have seen the value already. And then the selection. Candidates fulfill the necessary academic requirements and can be expected to successfully complete a study program in Germany. Graduates have a bachelor's degree. All right, you need a bachelor's degree already. All right, so it's not for those that want to go in for a bachelor's. Candidates have at least 2 years professional experience. Candidates can prove their motivation is development related and be expected to take on social responsibility and initiate and support processes of change in their personal and professional environments after their training or scholarship. So here we would see application requirements. So you would select per your country. All right, choose your country, and if you're a graduate, you choose that, and you're going to see the requirements for you. All right, so let's choose one right here. Let's choose Nigeria, graduates, and then show application requirements. These are the requirements that must be met for your study program if you are coming in from Nigeria. All right, so just select your country and it's going to show you what you need from your country. So here you need to hold a bachelor's degree, work either for a public authority or a state or private company in a developing country, has completed an academic degree with far above average results. His or her academic degrees should normally not be more than 6 years old. Applicants who have been resident in Germany for longer than 15 months at the application deadline cannot be considered. So for language skills, for study courses in German, which you're not doing, for courses in English, proof of adequate language skills according to the regulations of the respective course. So whatever the language requirements are for your course is what is the requirement for the scholarship. So that's that. Let's look at the procedure. What is the application procedure? So the application deadline, depending on the chosen program, please check Scholarship Brochure or the website of your chosen study program. So every study program has its own website. So please work with the deadline, has its own deadline, I beg your pardon. So work with the deadline of the study program. So the first thing you should do is to find the program, and you can apply for up to 3 courses. So go look at that list, select 3 courses, all right? And then you would see all the details of the course, the entry requirements, the documents you need to apply for the course, and you're also going to see the deadline for those courses. So you apply for those 3 courses. You're going to complete and sign a checklist. You'll complete the e-post application form. You would also be needing your CV. So please prepare an academic CV. It's different from the CV you used to apply for jobs. If you need me to assist you with your CV, send me an email. It's one of the services I provide. And then you need a letter of recommendation from your current employer, and you need a certificate of employment. You need your recent proof of English skills, and you need copies of your higher education degree certificate. You need your transcript. All right, so get your transcript, and that's basically all the documents that you'll be needing for this. Is an online application. So that's it. So first step, find your programs, 3 programs, and then you would see all the eligibility, entry requirements, and you will also be seeing the documents you need to apply for the program there. So that is basically how it works. So this link is going to be in the description box down below. Please share the video with everyone you know. Share so others can apply as well. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment for me. I would love to read from you. Share the video with everyone you know. Give the video a like. Subscribe if you've not done that so you can see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and let us see you in the next one. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.